Hey guys, how's it going? How to remove app names from iPhone home screen. So basically you're gonna be able right here to see this is my home screen with the names of the apps. So if you haven't had the new version, go ahead to the settings, do the general and then software update, and make sure that you updated your iOS to the latest version so you can get access to all the new features. Now go back to your screen, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hold your screen away from the apps to see your apps shaking. All right, and as you can see right here, my apps are shaking right now. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click edit at the top left, and then you're gonna see three options. Click customize, right? And I'm gonna just click large, and as you can see, once I made my apps a little bit bigger, now you won't be able to see the names of the apps right on your screen. So let's turn on the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.